Now 8 points, exercise 8.11, add 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. So this is not a like fraction, it is unlike fraction. So when unlike fractions are given, first we have to try the LCM of the denominator, that is 3 and 6. LCM of denominator 3 and 6 we have to check. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So LCM is 3 into 2 is 6. LCM is 6. Now we have to write LCM value 6 here and equalize the denominator. 3 denominator, common LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Then write 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6, same 2 we have to multiply up. 6 how much are 6? 6 1s are 6, same 1 we have to multiply up. Now 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means it is, we can simplify 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So answer will become 1 by 2. One more sum will try so you can understand betterly. So here we have to add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 but this is not a like fraction, unlike fraction, because denominator are different values. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of the denominator 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 1 has it is 3 ones are 3. LCM is 3 into 3 is 9. This is very important, LCM. Okay, now write the LCM here 9. Now here 3 how much are 9? LCM is 9. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. Same 3 we have to multiply up. 9 how much are 9? 9 3s are 3. 9 1s are 9. Same 1 we have to multiply up. Okay, same way how we did the ascending and descending order. Now here 3 ones are 3. Here plus symbol, 1 ones are 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 ones are 9. Already that we denominator already written. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 9. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 9. Now here also we have to add. So this is unlike fraction. So 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. So we have to find the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 1 ones are 2 ones are. LCM is 5 into 2 is 10. Now write the LCM down 10. Now 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. Same 2 we have to multiply up. 10 how much are 10? 10 1s are 10. Same 1 we have to multiply up. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Again we can reduce the value 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next here 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4. First we have to find the LCM of the denominator 8 and 4, because this is unlike fraction. So we can't find unlike fraction addition separate. We can try that. So 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. LCM is 4 into 2 is 8. LCM is 8. So write the LCM down 8. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are 8. Same 1 we have to multiply up. 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are 8. Same 2 we have to multiply up. Now 7 ones are 7 plus 3 twos are 6. 7 plus 6 is 6 12, 13 by 8. Now next, fifth question, 1 by 7, 3 by 14. So we have to find the LCM of 7 and 14. 7 and 14, 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 1 as it is 2 ones are 2. LCM is 7 into 2 is 7 twos are 40. Now 14 we have to write here. Then a plus symbol, no? 7 how much are 14? 7 twos are 14, same 2 we have to multiply up. 14 how much are 14? 14 ones are 14, same 1 we have to multiply up. Now 1 twos are 2 plus 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 by 14. Now sixth question, 5 by 16. Sixth question, 5 by 16. Yes, sixth question, 5 by 16, 3 by 8. Find the LCM of the denominator 6 and 8, because it is not like fraction. So 8 means 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are 8. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So LCM is 4 into 2 is 8. LCM is 8. Okay. Now 5 by 16 plus 3 by 8 addition. No? Now LCM of 16 and 8 is 8. Now 16 how much are 8? 16 2s are 8. Same 2 we have to multiply up. 8 how much are 8? 8 1s are same 1 we have to multiply up. Now numerator 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. Answer is 13 by 8. That's the answer. 13 by 8. So here, sorry children, here 8 into 2. So LCM is 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. So here LCM is 16. Then it will be change here also. Okay, now here LCM is 16. So 16, how much are 16 ones are 16, same one we have to multiply. 8 how much are 16, 8 2s are 16, same 2 we have to multiply up. Now 5 ones are 5 plus 3 2s are 6. Now answer is 5 plus 6 is 11 by 16. Answer is 11 by 16. Now next 5 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 3 by 22. First we have to find the LCM of 11 and 22. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 1 carry 2 ones are 2. See LCM is 11 into 2 is 22. LCM is 22. Now we have to write the LCM here 22. Now 11 how much are 22? 11 2s are 22. Same number we have to multiply up. 22 how much are 22? 22 ones are same number we have to multiply up. Now 5 2s are 10 plus, because here plus symbol, 3 ones are 3. Answer is 13 by 22. Okay. Now next question is 3 by 16 and 5 by 8. 3 by 16 plus 5 by 8. Now we have to find the LCM of 16 and 8. Both 1 multiple 6, 8 ones are 8 2s are 16, 8 ones are 8. 2 ones are 2, 1 as it is. So LCM is 8 into 2 is 8 2s are 16. LCM is 16. 16 how much are 16? 16 ones are 16, same one we have to multiply up. 8 how much are 16? 8 2s are 16, same 2 we have to multiply up. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 5 2s are 10. 3 plus 10 is 13 by 16. Now ninth question, 11 by 20 plus 9 by 10. We have to find the LCM of denominator 20 and 10 because unlike fraction. 10 2s are 20, 10 ones are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are. So LCM is 10 into 2 is 20. Now 20 LCM we have to write first. 20 how much are 20? 20 ones are same one we have to multiply up. 10 how much are 20? 10 2s are 20, same 2 we have to multiply up. 11 ones are 11 plus 9 2s are 8. 11 plus 8 is 18 by 20. Now 6 by 7 plus, 11 by 8 is 19 by 20. Now plus 5 by 14. Now we have to find the LCM of 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7, 2. So LCM is 7 into 2 is 40. 7 2s are 14. Now 14. 7 how much are 14? 7 2s are 14, same into 2. 14 how much are 14? 14 ones are. So here 6 2s are 12 plus 5 ones are 5. 12 plus 5 16, 17 by 14. Answer is 17 by 14. 11th question, unlike fraction, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. We can't add or subtract directly because unlike fraction, find the LCM of 2, 4, 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it, 3 ones are. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. So we have to write 12 LCM denominator. Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Same 6 we have to multiply half. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. Same 3 we have to multiply half. 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. Same 4 we have to multiply half. Now 1 6 are 6 plus 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. Answer is 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 3 13. 13 by 12. So here 10 2s are 12, 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 9 11 means 18, 19, 29. 29 by 20 we can convert into mixed fraction also. 21s are 20 plus 9. Okay. Then here, okay, that is correct. Then 12, here also we can convert into mixed fraction. Okay, it's not necessary. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now here LCM of denominator 2, 3, 5, that is 30. You have to write 30 here. Now equalize the denominator. 2 how much are 30? 2 3 is 2 how much are 30? 2 ones are 2. 15 2s are 30, no? So 2 15s are. 3 how much are 30? 3 10s are. So same number we have to multiply. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are. Same number we have to multiply. Otherwise they will fight. Now 15 ones are 15 plus 10 ones are 10 plus 1 6 are 6. How much 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 6 is 31 by 30. You can convert into mixed fraction also, or yes you can. Everything is addition. 13th one, 3 by 4, 1 by 8, 3 by 8. Now find the LCM of denominator 4 8 because this is not a like fraction. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 twos are 8. 1 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So LCM is 4 into 2 is 8. Now 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are 8. Same thing we have to multiply half. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are. Same thing we have to multiply. 8 how much are 8 ones are. Same thing we have to multiply half. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 ones are 1 plus 3 ones are 3. Already everything is denominator become 8 only. Same denominator. Okay. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 8. Again we can simplify it. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5 by 4, or we can convert into mixed fraction. Now 14th one, write with the plus symbol. Then find the LCM of 4 5 3. 4 ones are 4, 5 as it is, 3 as it is, and 5 5 ones are 5, 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3. So LCM is 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. LCM is 60. Now 4 how much are 60? Now 4 how much are 60? 4 15s are. So same 15 we have to multiply half. 5 how much are 60? 5 12s are. Same 12 we have to multiply half. 3 how much are 60? 3 20. 3 2s are 6. So 60. Same 20 we have to multiply. What we have multiplied? Same thing we have to multiply up. Now here 15 3s are 45. Then plus 12 2s are 24. Plus 2 2s are 4 means 40. Now 45, 24, 5 plus 4 9. Then 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. 109 by 60. 109 by 60. 60 ones are 60. 60 plus 49. Yes, you can convert into mixed fraction also. Now write in a plus symbol because we have to add and find the LCM. 8, 4, 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 1 as it is. Then LCM is 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Now write the LCM value here and equalize the denominator into LCM. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are same one we have to multiply up. 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are same thing we have to multiply up. 2 how much are 8? 2 fours are same thing we have to multiply up. Now 5 ones are 5 plus 3 twos are 6 plus 1 fours are 4. Answer is 4 plus 6 10. 15 by 8. Now B main, they given a mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper fraction, then we can try. So 4 here, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Plus 3 denominator first we have to write, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 7, 6 7 8. Okay, first convert all 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. 2 as it, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay, now find the LCM of denominator 4 and 3. 4 ones are 3 as it is. 3 ones. LCM is 4 into 3 is 12. Now 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. So same 3 we have to multiply up, and here also same 3 4s are 12, same 4 we have to multiply up. Okay, now 13 3s are 39 plus 8 4s are 32. Now 9 plus 10 11. 3 plus 3 6 7. 71 by 12. 71 by 12. 12 5s are 60. 70 71. So you can convert into mixed fraction also. Convert into, now find the LCM of the denominator 8 and 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 4 1s are 1 as it is. LCM is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. LCM is 8. Write the LCM here. Then equalize the denominator. 8 how much are 8? 8 1s are same 1 multiply will have. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are same 4 we have to multiply up. Now 33 ones are 33 plus 5 4s are 20. Answer is 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 53 by 8. You can convert into mixed fraction again. Okay, in back answer they given with the mixed fraction. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 means 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So okay, 53 by 8. Again you can convert into mixed fraction. But both the answer are correct. Now 5 here. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 6 we have to write. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. That is the way to converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So write 3 here. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22 plus which number 2 only or any other number. If question is wrong means the whole sum will wrong. Fourth question. 1 7 3 by 4. 3 1 by 3. 1 1 by 2. Yes. 2 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. First I am converting all mixed fraction into improper. So first write the denominator, then multiply here and here addition. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. Plus convert, write 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Denominator first. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. Yeah, which number? Question number is 6. 2 1 by 12 4. 4 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5 by 4. Write the denominator first. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 9 10 11. So okay, here 16. 7th question, 2 3 by 4 plus 5 1 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 plus 5 17 18 19 20 21. Here 4 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Here 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 7 14 15. Okay, this is converted all mixed fraction to improper. Now find the addition. You can't find directly because denominator are different, unlike fractions. So find the LCM of denominator 5 and 6. 6 as it is. LCM is 5 6 are 30. Now we have to write here LCM value 30. Then equalize the LCM. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. Same 6 we have to multiply how? 6 how much are 30? 6 5 are 30. Same 5 we have to multiply half. Okay, now 5 6 are 30. 6 5 are 30 already written. 26 6 are is 132 plus 37 5 are 37 5 is 185. 5 plus 2 is 6 7. 8 plus 3 is 9 10 11 means 1 carry. 1 plus 2 2 3. 317 by 30. 317 by 30. Again you can convert this into mixed fraction, children. Yeah, here a slight mistake here. 26 6 are 26 6 is 156 and 37 5 is 185 current. So 156 plus 185 is 341. 340. Again you can convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, here 30 11s are 30, 30 11s are 330. 330 plus 11 is 341. This is 341. Okay, now next 22 and LCM of 3 and 2 is 6 only. 3 ones are 2 as it is. 3 2s are 6. LCM is 6. Now 6 how much are 6? 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. Same 2 we have to multiply up. 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are same 3 we have to multiply up. Now 22 2s are 44 plus 3 3s are 9. 49 53 by 6. 49 plus 53 by 6. My answer is you can convert into mixed fraction. Nearer to 53 is how much? 6 8s are 48. 48 plus how much we have to add into 53? 5. So here 53 by 6 or 8 5 by 6, converting into mixed fractions. Now LCM of 4 and 8 we have to find. 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4, 2 as it is. 2 ones are 2. LCM is 4 2s are 8. LCM is 8. Okay, that 8 we have to write here. Now 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. Same 2 we have to multiply. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are same 1 we have to multiply 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 9s are 9. 42 plus 9 49 50 51 by 8. 51 by 8 we can convert into mixed fraction. 8 how much are nearer to 8 6 are 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. 51 by 8 or 63 by 8. Here itself we can stop it or we can continue. LCM of 12 and 4 we have to find. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. LCM is 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. Now write LCM 12 here. 12 how much are 12? 12 1s are same one we have to multiply hum. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are same 3 we have to multiply up. 25 1s are 25 plus 5 3s are 15. 25 plus 15, 25 plus 5, 30, 40, 40 by 12 or 12 how much are nearer to. Here we can simplify also. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. Then 36 plus 4. Okay, here we can simplify 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 1 by 3 or 40 by 12. Here also we can simplify and write, then convert into mixed fraction, or after converting we can say 4 1s are 4 3s are, so 3 1 by 3 is the answer. Here we can simplify. Now LCM of 4 and 16 we have to find. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. So LCM is 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. LCM is 16. 16 we have to write. Now 4 how much are 16? 4 4s are 16, same 4 we have to multiply. 16 how much are 16? 16 1s are same one we have to multiply up. Now 11 4s are 44 plus 21 1s are 21. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 5 6, 65 by 16, or we can convert into mixed fraction. This we can convert into mixed fraction. 16 1s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 1. This is also one of answer. Now LCM, find LCM of the denominator. 4 and 8, 4 1s are 4 2, then 1 as it is, 2 1s are. Now LCM is 4 into 2 is 8. Now write the LCM here, 8, and 4 how much 8? 4 2s are same 2 we have to multiply. 8 how much 8? 8 1s are same thing we have to multiply up. 9 2s are 18 plus 15 1s are 15. 8 plus 5 is 9 10 11. Okay, 2 3 by 8. 33 by 8. So we can convert 8 4s are 32 plus 1. 4 1 by 8 or 33 by 8. So here first convert mixed fraction into improper. So denominator first 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 plus 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So denominator here we have to write first. Then here multiplication, then we have to add. Okay. 11 is 88, 88 plus 3, 89, 90, 91. 88, 89, 90, 91. Plus, very careful, one mistake means whole sum will wrong. 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 5, 25, 26, 27. Yes, 7 first we have to write. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 7, 7 2s, 7 is 7, 8, 9. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. 7 is 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10. Here 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 7, 24, 27, 31. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Plus 12, 12 3s are 36 plus 1, 37. 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 1, 49. 7, 7 5s are 35, 35, 36, 37, plus 7 3s are 21, 22, plus 7, 6 are 36, 7 are 42, 42 plus 3, 45. Here we have to write 4 first. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 5, 15, 16, 17. Fourth question, 1 3 by 4, 2 1 by 2 and 1 5 by 12 only. Okay. Now we can try here directly because like fraction. Okay, like fraction means we can try directly 3 as it is, and 16 plus 7. How much? 6 6 12 13. 6 6 12. 13 12 means 23 by 3. 23 by 3. Or we can convert this into mixed fraction 3. Nearer to 27, 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 2 is 7 2 by 3. Now here like fraction we can directly write the answer, denominator loving common denominator, and write the numerator. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 10 11. 118 by 11. 118 by 11 convert into mixed fraction means 11 nearer to 108 is 11 tens are 110. 110 plus 8 is 118. Now C main addition only. So first convert the mixed fraction to improper. So all are same numbers. So same denominator means we can directly add it. 9 plus 15 plus 10. Write the numerator. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 9 means 29. 34 by 7. 34 by 7 convert into mix means 7 7 7 5 is 7 4 is 25. 28, 28 plus 6, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 4, 6 by 7. Now all are denominator 12, write 12, then write 31, 37, 49, 12. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17 means 7 here, 1 carry over there. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 117. 117 by 12. 117 by 12 means we can reduce the value. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s, 3 3s are 9, 2 carry, 3 27 now, 3 3s are. Now 39 by 4 we can convert into mixed fraction 4. 4 how much? 4 9s are 36 plus 3 is 39, 3 by 4. Now like fraction, so we can directly add it. 37 plus 22 plus 45. How much? 7. 5 plus 2 is 6 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 means 4. 4 5 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 104 by 7. Second, third question, 104 by 7. Okay, here so we can convert into mixed fraction 7. 14 7s are 98. So 98 plus 6 is 104. 98 plus 6 is 104. So we can stop here 104 by 7 or 14 6 by 7. Here it is a unlike fraction. So we have to find here all of like fraction because denominator are same. So we can directly try. But we have to find the LCM here because different denominator. 4 1s are 4, 2 as it is, 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now LCM is 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 2s are 8 3s are 24. Okay, now write the LCM 24 here. Now equalize the denominator. 7 how much are 24? 4 6 are 24. 4 how much are 24? Sorry, 4 6 are. So same 6 we have to multiply here. 2 how much are 24? 12 12s are 12 2s are 24. Same 12 we have to write here. Then 12 how much are 24? 12 2s are same 12 we have to write here. Now here 7 6 are 42. 12 5s are 60, 17 2s are 34. Now we have to add here. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 4 plus 6, 10, 13 by 24. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 3s are 2 4s are 34 by 6. Again 34 by 6, or we can again reduce the value. Again we can reduce 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 17 by 14, 17 by 3, or we can convert into mixed fraction, means 3 how much are nearer, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 16 17, 5 2 by 3, till 5 2 by 3 we can try. Now we are converting into improper. 8 first, denominator first we have to write, denominator, always denominator is first. Now here multiply and add it. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 10 11, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 5, 36 36 plus 5 means 30, 41, 36 plus 5 41. Then 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 7 37, 38 39. Okay, here also converted. 6 first, denominators first, denominator, more preference to denominator. Okay, question is correct. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 5 35. Now 24 6 are. Okay, so now 24 6 is 144. 144 plus 11, 144 plus 11 is 5 by 155, 155 plus symbol, 16 1s is 16, 16 plus 3 is 17 18 19. Now we have to find the LCM of denominator. 8 12 and 16. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 2, and 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. So LCM is 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 48. LCM is 48. Now we have to 8 how much are 48, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, same we have to multiply up. 12 4s are 48, same thing we have to multiply up. 16 how much are 48, 16 3s are, same thing we have to multiply up. Now yes, 11 6s are 66, 44 and 1 4s are 164, 39 3s are 170. Now 66 plus 164 plus 117 is 347 by 48. We can't simplify, or 48 48 sevens we get 300 nearer to. Divide and check, children. Directly divide. The remainder here, quotient is here, remainder up. Okay. Now 48 sevens are 48 sevens is 336 plus 11 is 346. Answer is 347 by 48, or 711 by 48. Now here also we have to find the LCM of 6 24 and 16. LCM of 6 24 and 16. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 16 as it is. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now LCM is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48. LCM here 48. Now here 48 and equalize the LCM. Six numbers are 48. 6 5s are no 6 numbers. 6 8s are 48. Same 8 we have to multiply here. 24 2s are 48 and 16 3s are 48. Now we have to multiply. Now here 35 8s are is 280 plus 155 2s are 310 plus 19 3s are 19 3s is 51. Okay, now we have to add 280 plus 310 plus 57. Okay, 380 plus 280 310 plus 57 means total 647 by 48. Now divide it. Now we can convert, stop here or divide and check the value. Where is pen? Okay, divide and check the value. 48 647. 48 ones are 48. 14 minus 8 means 9 10 11 12 13. 9 10 11 12 13 14 6. Here 3 5 5 minus 4 means 1 7 down. Now 48 3s are 14 3 223. Okay, so here how to write? Divide the number, then 48 here. Okay, this quotient is here and the remainder top. That is converting into mixed fraction. And divide it. If big number means divide in quotient here, remainder top. That's the answer.